how to connect Xempire to your Bybit wallet. So log into your Bybit account. You can do this in the app or the website. Now we'll be showing you the website option. So just go ahead and search for Bybit, and the first link should be their official website. And once you've done that, you can go ahead to the top right corner beside the sign up option, which is the login button. You can go ahead and follow the next steps, which is to navigate to the API management section in Bybit. So go to the assets tab, which will give you access to your funds. Then find and click on API management in your account settings or dashboard. Now create an API key for Bybit. So in the API manage section, click on create API key. So when prompted, get the following: the API name, permissions, and IP whitelisting. So you can go ahead and pause the video to read this more properly. So just go ahead and click generate API key. Once you've done that, you can go ahead on the Xempire platform, app, or website. So log into your Xempire account, and in your account, find the integrations or connections section. Now it can also be called API connections or similar. Look for Bybit under the available platforms to integrate. Once you've done that, you can connect Xempire to Bybit using the API key. So click on the connect or add Bybit account button. So if you have your API keys ready, so just go ahead and paste these keys into the respective fields. So confirm any required permissions and authentication steps. Then you can authenticate and confirm the connection. So you may receive a confirmation message indicating that your Bybit wallet has been successfully connected to your Xempire. Then you can verify the integration. You can check if the connection is active by navigating to the Bybit wallet overview on Xempire and confirming that your funds are visible. Now, if this video helps you, please like and subscribe for more videos like this. And that's all. Thank you.